Right, what's up traders? Welcome to a monthly review. So I'm going to be reviewing my month of February 2024. Telling you how I made money, what I did well, what I can do better, what mistakes I made, and just giving you, the key factors what I think led to a profitable month. So as you can see, I made $8,038 on the month. This is a 200K account. So my percentage gain was 4.02%. with a win rate of 76.67% and a risk reward ratio of 0.95. So as you can see from that, right, I will make money long term. That is a positive expectancy value. If you put that into a Monte Carlo simulator or a equity simulator, same, that will make money long term. So 30 trades, 23 winners, as you can see, win rate of 76.67%. At a net gain of just over $8,000, which is just over 4%, right? This is my main account linked to all other investors' accounts, prop accounts, challenge accounts, everything like that. So this is the main account that I take every single trade at, and it's copied through to everything else. So this is my true statistics, right? You need an account that I believe when you're trading so many accounts, that's why I use a trade copier, that allows you to actually gauge your proper statistics. Because if you're only taking some trades on other accounts and some on are winners, some are losers, you don't get a true reflection of how you actually are trading. So 76% win rate at 0.95%, really solid, and a percentage gain of 4.02%. But what did I do that allowed me to get to that? So what did I do well? Well, one of the key features of the solid month was relentless effort in working on my C game. This is something that comes from the Jared Tendler's book, The Mental Game of Trading, that allows me to work on my poor decision making, which is moving my stop loss and having more than one position on a trade per time. And this is something that I've been really working with myself, as well as my accountability partners and Tom, Austin, and Evan, that have allowed me to better myself, right? Another key feature has been to consistently put in the work, right? Doing my daily report cards, doing my weekly report cards, doing my monthly report cards. This allows me to see what I'm doing well and what I'm doing not so well, right? There's a saying that how do you know what you're doing if you're not tracking it? How can you keep progress going if you don't even know what the score is? There's no point playing a game like a sports game or trading without even knowing the score. You need to know what areas you're doing well at and what areas need work at. So at S&B Capital, they call it, am I a show horse or am I a workhorse? Are you putting in the work or are you just here for show? And unfortunately, in this business, you're going to have to put in work. There's no get rich quick scheme in anything in life. You have to put in the work to get the results, right? So one of my key features as well, focus for next month is being my RR coupled with my win rate. Those are the two important statistics in trading. Yes, you can get Kalmar ratios and Sortino ratios and everything like that, but the two key statistics in trading is risk reward ratio coupled with win rate. Put them together, do they give you a positive expectancy value? And as you can see with mine, if you put these into an equity simulator, 76% and 0.95 R, you will make money long term. That is a probabilistic out view on that. So my continuous work on is to have my RR above 0.8. That has been my work on since the start of the year. And that will allow me to not only focus on having a high win rate, because I normally do trade with a high win rate, but allows me to have a win rate coupled with a risk reward ratio that allows me that balance each other out, right? So that is a really big factor in my trading. So let's go through each individual trading day. So as you can see, this is my February 2024 from my personal trading account. I have 2 losing days and the rest are pretty green, right? My biggest losing day being 1% and my biggest winning day being 1.57%. So let's speak about something that I have noticed in my trading is when I have more than 2 or 3 trades, I tend to lose on the day. It seems like I'm revenge trading. So that is definitely a factor that I am picking up in my own trading in itself. Look at all my winning days, 1 trade, 2 trades, 5 trades, losing day, 2 trades, 4 trades, winning days. But as soon as I have 3 or more, it seems like things can go a bit wonky, right? So that is something that you can only look back from doing actual analysis on your trading itself. So yeah, again, look over here, accountability. So for us that work in the Black Shirt Club, as our mentorship program. So the four coaches, so me and Tom, Ev, and Austin, so me and the three other guys, we like to keep each other accountable by doing our daily report cards, doing our weekly report cards, and then analyzing how can we get better. We personally use TradeZella to monitor our statistics. I really encourage you, again, if you have multiple trading accounts, come up with a master account that you can trade, whether that's your personal account, a demo account, whatever it is. Come up with a master account that you put on a trade copier and make it your master account, and it copies to all the rest of your accounts. The reason I'll say this is because some days you trade one account and other days you trade other, and you don't actually have a true reflection of what your trading statistics look like. As I said, the only two statistics that really matter in trading is your win rate coupled with your risk-reward ratio. Will that give you a positive expectancy value? Then you can play around. Once you know that, you can play around with the risk percentages per trade that will give you your average drawdown and so forth and so forth. But those are the two key statistics, right? So a good month, as you can see, over 4% in profit, just over $8,000. This is a 200K account. But yeah, just a really, really solid all in all performance on the trading desk this month. So that was my February. I hope that these videos provide value for you guys, and we'll see you after March, which will be the first quarter of 2024. Cheers guys, have a good one.